A better view.
I think we go for a safer view than better view.
The first branch coming off. Oops. करता है ना फोटो? हाँ. Ooh. Oh my God.
We still got our trees to protect us. Oh my God.
Yeah, their office is shut basically. But I mean, we given them got the claim number and all that. But I called them today. They said I guess because of the electricity problem. Yeah.
What do you have?
Plymouth Rock, the old High Point company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like I called mine, they called me, they said do the same thing, do whatever you need to do.
Yeah, sure.
We'll come and go if you have any problems.
Oh my God, this is going to be a long job, isn't it?
Oh,
Yes, yes.
5-6 hours probably.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'll get it done. But they're real safe and they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
You know, the way they took that down.
Yeah.
You know, they got a full crew of people that know.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. No, it's not. I don't know. Yes, yeah. Where?
No, but isn't that the same line which is for the barbecue? Is it for?
I think it is actually. It is.